respected principals, prestigious guests, high-minded heads, and dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating the 74th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. We celebrate Independence Day in honor of the sacrifices and dedication of the brave hearts who aimed for the one goal to simply be free from slavery of the colonizers. The sheer depth of the pride felt by every Indian as they look at their country's tricolored flag unfurl. This is a sight to be behold. Let us have a traditional auspicious flag waving ceremony.
Hands up!
Always help people to feel relaxed and happy. Patriotic song encourages you to do something good for our country, and it brings a sense of fulfillment and responsibility towards our country. In short, it gives us a feeling to cherish our motherland and feel proud of it.
ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಒಂದೇ ಹರಿವ ಜಲವೊಂದೇ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಒಂದೇ ಹರಿವ ಬೀಸುವ ಗಾಳಿಯು ಒಂದೇ ಜನಿಸುವ ಮನುಕುಲ ಒಂದೇ ಬೀಸುವ ಗಾಳಿಯು ಒಂದೇ ಜನಿಸುವ ಮನುಕುಲ ಒಂದೇ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರು ಇವರು ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರು ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದೇ.
Thank you, dear teachers. It was really melodious. I request Mrs. Anita to deliver a significance of the day. This day marks the day when India became free from the British rule, and it is also a reminder to the citizens of the many freedom fighters who fought to liberate the country. India has come a long way since gaining its independence and has made much headway in various fields, including education and space. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable knowledge. It is my honor, more than a pleasure, to welcome the Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Nivedita, Principal of First Grade College, to address the gathering.
A very good morning to all the dignitaries, all areas, teaching and non-teaching staff, dear students and all the parents. My heartfelt wishes on the occasion of India's 74th Independence Day. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to thank the management for bestowing this privilege of unfurling the tricolor flag on me. Independence Day is a reminder of the lives that were sacrificed to gain this freedom. This year's Independence Day is different in ways more than one. The COVID-19 pandemic is having a profound effect on the lives of the millions of people around the world. Some parts of the world are battling twin disasters like floods and explosions. People are struggling to tackle the natural calamity amidst the pandemic, losing life and livelihood. New forms of heroism are emerging among frontline health workers, police officers, local governing bodies, Paurakarmikas, delivery staff and volunteers. They are the reason we all have assembled here safe, and I'm standing before you delivering this address. So we have to give a big applause to all these warriors. I wouldn't really call this Independence Day as many around the nation are fighting for their lives. Years ago, Mahatma Gandhi fought for the freedom of the nation, and today we are fighting for the lives, for our lives, fighting to stay alive. So I think we will celebrate our Independence Day once the vaccine is found and we are free to walk around. People around the globe extended their helping hands and supported those in need. They went beyond caste, creed, religion and other social prejudices. People offering free meals and ration kits to the needy, youngsters coming forward to help the senior citizens with their shopping needs during the lockdown, doctors and nurses working round the clock to save lives. This sparked hope and made us believe that the world is not a bad place after all. On the beautiful day, I wish, may the tricolor flag high with love, empathy, kindness and humanity always being our guiding light. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational and thought-provoking words. My special thanks to our chief guest, Mrs. Nivedita, Principal of St. Joseph's First Grade College, respected principals, headmistresses, and all the beloved teachers for making this day a memorable one. To our freedom fighters, to our soldiers, to our heroes of the nation, they are the reason we are still alive, and we will never forget their sacrifice. Happy Independence Day. May your spirits rise with the flag today. Jai Hind.